WhatsApp is one of the fastest way to get leads, but managing those conversations can quickly become unorganized. As messages increase, important details get buried in chats, and it becomes difficult to track who needs a follow-up. Because of this, leads are often missed or not handled properly. This creates a lack of structure in your management process. But to solve this problem, you need a system that can automatically capture and organize every incoming lead. Through this video, I will show you exactly that. I will show you how you can capture WhatsApp leads instantly, store them in Google Sheets, and send an automated reply at the same time. This will help you keep your data organized while engaging leads immediately. Right now, the workflow that you are looking at on my screen is the workflow that I've created inside my own Pabbly Connect account. And this is the exact same workflow with the help of which at first we will store the details of our lead that we will capture from our WhatsApp account, and after that we will also send a message right at the same time. Now, first of all, before showing you how to create this automation, let us see this workflow in real time. For that, I just have to open my WhatsApp account. Inside my WhatsApp account, you can see I have typed down this message, "Hello there, can I get more details about that product?" Now I will just send this message inside this chat. You will see at first this message with the details of the customer who has sent this message will get stored as a new row inside my Google Sheet. In here you can see these new details with the name Jai Tripathi, phone number. This is the message that we have sent. The source is WhatsApp and the status is new. Here these details are added inside our Google Sheet. Now what will happen to this exact same customer? A WhatsApp message will get sent automatically. For that I will again open my WhatsApp account. In here you can see I have successfully received this message. "Hi Jai Tripathi, thanks for reaching out. We have received your message and our team will get back to you shortly. To help us assist you better, please share your requirement in detail." So you just saw how quickly I have received this welcome message. You can see I sent this message at 12:59 and exactly at 1:01 I received this message. This means that by creating this automation inside your own Pabbly Connect account, you can instantly store the details of your leads inside your Google Sheet and also send them messages instantly on their WhatsApp account so that you can convert your leads into your clients. So this was the demo of my automation that I have created here. Now, if you also want to set up this kind of lead capture system inside your own Pabbly Connect account, then stay with me till the end of this video. By then, you will be an expert in creating automations inside Pabbly Connect. Now let us begin. First of all, if you are a beginner here, you just have to watch the video that I have added in the I button. From there, you can learn how to reach up to this blank workflow where we can start creating our workflow. So I will suggest you watch that video at first and learn how you can get up till here. After that, now let us begin creating our workflow. The first thing that you must know before creating any workflow inside Pabbly Connect is what you want from your workflow. Now what I want from my workflow is that first of all, I want my workflow to get triggered whenever I will receive a new message notification from my WhatsApp Cloud API account. This means that for my trigger application, I have to select WhatsApp Cloud API, and for my trigger event, I have to select new message received. To select your trigger application, you just have to click over this plus button given here. Then inside this search box, search for the application that you want to select. So I will just search for this WhatsApp Cloud API. You can see it is visible here. I just have to click over this to select it. Then for this application event, I have to select this message notification because I want my workflow to get triggered whenever I will receive a new message notification from my WhatsApp Cloud API account. Now we have to create a connection between WhatsApp Cloud API and Pabbly Connect. For that, just press this connect button. You will receive this webhook URL. Just copy it from here and then you have to paste this webhook URL inside Meta for developers. For that, open a new tab and search for this developers.facebook.com. You will get directed on this Meta for developers page. In here on the right side, if you are new here, you will see get started will be written. Click on that get started, create an application for yourself. After that, this my apps will be visible to you. Click on this my apps, go inside this. Here you will see the application that you have created. So from here, select any application that you want. After that, inside the application on the left side, you will see this WhatsApp. So click on this drop down and select this configuration from here. Inside this page, this callback URL box will be visible to you. Just paste your webhook URL in here. Then you have to add this verified token also. To get this, go back inside your Pabbly Connect account, click on this hyperlink given here. You just have to click over this and you will get directed on this page. In here, you can see here these are the two different videos: how to set up WhatsApp Cloud API inside Pabbly Connect and how to generate a permanent token inside WhatsApp Cloud API. If you face any trouble while creating your connection, you can also take help from these videos to learn to create your connection. After that, just scroll down. Here you will see that this verified token is visible. Just copy this token from here and paste it inside this verified token box. Press this verify and save button. Now our connection is created. Next, we just have to send a test message to our Pabbly Connect account to see if we have connected or not. So just scroll down. Inside this, you can see here this message will be visible to you. First of all, subscribe to it. After that, just click on this text button and then press this send to server button. Instantly, this text message will get sent to your Pabbly Connect account. So let us go back inside our Pabbly Connect account, and in here you can see I have successfully received this test response. This means that my WhatsApp Cloud API application is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. Now we just have to work on our next action application. Now, for our action application, we have to select those applications what action we want to perform next. Now what I want for this workflow is that whenever I have received any message notification from my WhatsApp Cloud API account, I want to store the details of that lead as a new row inside my Google Sheet. This means that I have to select my first action application as Google Sheet. To select that, click on this plus button. Then from here you can see this Google Sheet is also available. So I just have to click over this to select this. Then for this application event, I will select this add new row. Then to create a connection between Google Sheet and Pabbly Connect, I again have to press this connect button. Inside this, you will get two options here to create your connection. You can also select your existing connection, but if you want to add a new connection, select this, press this sign in with Google button. On the left side, Pabbly Connect will detect your account. You just have to select that, scroll down on the next page, click on this continue button. Your connection will get created successfully. Here my connection is also created. Now we just have to select this spreadsheet where we want to add these details as a new row. Now inside my Google Sheet, you can see the name of my spreadsheet is worksheet and the name of sheet is appointments. So inside my Pabbly Connect account also, I have to select this spreadsheet as worksheet. After that, for this sheet, I have selected this as appointment. Instantly, you can see all the columns that I created inside my Google Sheet. Pabbly Connect has successfully detected them. Now I just have to fill up the fields to successfully add them as a new row inside my Google Sheet. Now to fill up these fields, we have two options. We can either add the details of our customer manually, or we can also take help of mapping to fill up these fields. If I will add these details manually, then these details will remain static and it doesn't matter what new response I receive. Every time these same details will get added as a new row inside my Google Sheet. But we don't want that. What we want is, we want to add details of all our clients one by one inside our Google Sheet and not just repeated details of one client every time. So this means that to fill up these fields, we have to take help of mapping to make our automation run smoothly. Now to map data, you just have to press the slash button. Then from this drop down, you can easily select the value which you want to map. Here we want to map the name, so I just have to scroll down and look for the name. You can see here this name, test user name, is visible, so I just have to click over this to map this. After that, we have to map the phone number, so I'll again press the slash button. Then from this drop down, I will look for the phone number. You can see this is the number from which we have received our message, so I just have to click over this to map this. We have to map the message also, so I'll press this slash. From this drop down, I will select this text body, which is actually a message. You just have to click over this text body to map the message that your customer has sent you, and you can also store that message inside your Google Sheet. After that, for this source, as we are getting this lead from our WhatsApp, that's why I want to update this detail every time exactly same as WhatsApp. That's why I have added this text manually WhatsApp. For this status, as this is a new text message that my customer has sent me, that's why in here I will add this text as new. After adding all these details, just click on this save and send test request button. Open your Google Sheet. You will instantly see all the details of your customer will get added as a new row inside your Google Sheet. So this means that our Google Sheet is also connected with our Pabbly Connect account. Now we just have to work on our last action application, where we will send a message instantly to our customer as soon as they will send us a message. So for that, we have to click on this plus button again and select this WhatsApp Cloud API again as our last action application. This WhatsApp Cloud API action application is visible here, so we just have to select this for this application event as we want to send a text message. That's why select this send text message, press this connect button. After that, you also have to create a connection again for this WhatsApp Cloud API and Pabbly Pabbly Connect because this is an action application. Now, before I create this connection, let me share something most important that I have for you. I know that till now you must have created your free account at Pabbly and explored those 100 free tasks that Pabbly Connect gives to every new user. But now this is the time that you consider upgrading to the premium version of Pabbly, because with premium version of Pabbly you can get thousands of tasks every month so that you can create more such amazing workflows inside your own Pabbly Connect account and make your business run smoother. Now, why I have told this news, a most important part, because I have a good news for you, and that is that we are right now running an exclusive discount on our yearly and lifetime subscription plans. So to avail that particular discount, you just have to use my coupon code JAIYT that I have also added for you in the description box of this video. So make sure to use my coupon code JAIYT while purchasing your yearly or lifetime subscription plans, so that you can get a huge discount on something that matters most for business in 2026. Now let us proceed with our workflow. First of all, we have to create a new connection. But if you have already established a connection, you can go with the select existing connection option. But I will show you how to create a connection for the first time. That's why I will select this add new connection. You can see here we have to add this token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. To get these details, go back inside the Metaphor developers page that I have shown you, and in here this time from this drop down of WhatsApp, select this API setup. This button of generate access token will be visible to you. Click over this, press this reconnect button. After that, your token will get generated. Copy it from here, paste it inside Pabbly Connect. Next, you can see we have to add this phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. To get this also, go back in here. This is the phone number ID and this is the WhatsApp business account ID. So we just have to copy them, paste them and press this save button to create your connection. You can see my connection is created. Now we just have to add recipient's WhatsApp mobile number and the message which we want to send them. First of all, for this recipient's WhatsApp mobile number, I'll press the slash. From this drop down of WhatsApp Cloud API, I will map the number from which I have received message from my customer. So I will select this number from here. Then inside this message box, I will add this message. Here I have successfully added this message. Hello, test username. Thanks for reaching out. We have received your message and our team will get back to you shortly. To help us assist you better, please share your requirement in detail. And this is the message which I want to send to all of my customer. That's why I've added this message manually in here. Now we just have to press this save and send test request button. You can see instantly inside my WhatsApp account, I have successfully received this message. This means that the workflow that I have created here is working all fine. So just like this, you can also create such amazing WhatsApp lead nurturing system inside your own Pabbly Connect account. Now, if you also want to organize your WhatsApp leads and improve your follow-ups, I highly recommend you start using Pabbly Connect, because this system will help you capture, store and respond to leads automatically without any manual effort. You can also use my coupon code JAIYT that I have added in the description box just for you to also avail a huge discount on our yearly and lifetime subscription plans. That's it for now. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your team members. If you have any doubts, you can ask them in the comment box. My team will help you instantly. Thank you for watching this video till end. Not just these, you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you want to purchase your subscription, you can check out the pricing at this particular website. And if you have any doubt, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your team members. And if you found our content useful, you can also subscribe to the YouTube channel of Pabbly.